Hello friends, very welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn about the sound and cries of animals and birds. So without wasting time, here we go. So first one is bears. Bears always growl. Second is wolves, bellow. Cats, mew. Cows, low. Camels, grunt, and donkeys, bray. So these are the animals' sounds. Next one is dogs bark, elephant trumpet, frogs croak, goats bleat, horses neigh, jackals howl, lions roar, and mice squeak. Here we go. Next is monkeys chatter, pigs grunt, sheep bleat, tigers growl, bees hum, beetles drone, birds twitter or chirp, cocks crow, crickets chirp, crows caw. Next is doves coo, ducks quack, flies budge, hens or ducks cackle, owls hoot, pigeons coo, parrots talk or screech, serpents. Last one is serpents. This is the variety of snakes. Serpents hiss. So these are the sound of the animals. I hope you understood. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my videos. Till then, bye bye. See you.